What is going on, good people, and welcome to another episode of Tailgate Turf Talk. In this one, we are going to be talking about the most important thing, in my opinion, during an overseed or a full renovation is picking out the right seed. So this is where it all starts, people. And I get asked so many times, Cam, how is your lawn so dark green? And why does your lawn look so good? And how does it last throughout the summer? This is coming from a quality seed. And this is where it all starts. A subpar seed is only going to produce a subpar lawn. And the reason I say that is fertilizers, biostimulants, and other additives that we apply to the lawn can only take the lawn so far, or that seed so far, without the genetics already being in the plant for it to produce those results that you're looking for. So that is the number one reason for picking out a high quality seed. You can either pay for the seed up front, or you can pay for it in fertilizer and other additives, trying to make it get the results that you're looking for. So the next thing that I want to talk about is making sure that you are looking at your environmental conditions and picking out the right seed for your lawn. So there are different environmental conditions such as full sun, partial sun and shade, or if you're heavily shaded, do you get a lot of moisture, or are you hot and dry? All of these factors play a role in picking out the right seed for your lawn and the success and the results that you're going to get from that. The next thing that I want to talk about is, what do you look for in a seed? What is a good quality seed? So if you are going to a big box store, or if you are picking up seed from anywhere, there are three things that you really want to look for on the label. The first thing being the germination rate. The germination rate is going to tell you the percentage of that seed once planted that is going to germinate and come up and produce the lawn that you're looking for. So you want this percentage to be as high as possible. Typically anything above 85%. If you can get into the 90s, that's even better. So the next thing you're going to look for is your weed seed and your other crop. A high quality seed blend is going to have 0 for all of these items, and that's what you want to look for. We want to be planting high quality grass seed, not weeds. And the final thing that we're going to talk about in this video is, what seed am I going down with? For the three-peat, I am going down with the Mountain View seed blend again. I've done a full renovation over here from bare ground in my test plot, and I've also overseeded my front and backyards with that seed. I've seen nothing but great results from it, so I'm gonna stick with it and keep the ball rolling. When it comes to the cultivars or varieties that I like from Mountain View Seed, I like their LS or lateral spread cultivars. This is not to be confused with a RTF type of tall fescue. This is going to give you an aggressive tillering type of plant, which means you're going to get more grass blades on a single plant, which is going to give you a dense canopy, giving you the look of a spreading type of tall fescue. This is a great benefit in the fact that you can seed at lower rates, which means that one bag that you buy this fall will go a little bit farther than your standard tall fescue. In my experience, I have seeded at rates on bare ground as low as 7 to 8 pounds per thousand. And when doing that, I was able to get uniform coverage and the results that I was looking for, but I was able to allow it to have more airflow throughout the canopy by not overcrowding the seeds that were being put down, and the canopy still filled in and looked nicely. Therefore, the following summer, I had less disease pressure because that airflow was coming throughout the canopy of the lawn. So make sure you're taking these things into consideration when you are picking out your seed and getting ready to overseed or do a full renovation this fall. If you're striving to have those immaculate lawns or gardens, just know we work.